y'all? Welcome back to the channel. For today's video, we are finally starting the ABS relocation kit. Well, technically I'm lying because I started the ABS relocation kit a couple days ago. But today is the day that it forwards through the mail, and then we can get a, I guess, get the lines in place, get the bracket on the ABS pump, do all that stuff. I'm gonna walk you guys through it the best way I can. If I don't do it correctly, my bad. So I already have the ABS pump removed. I forgot which bracket I have to cut, but there's a bracket I have to cut off. I gotta go watch the DC5 Creations video to see what bracket I cut off. So you wanna label it. If you have this kit and you have like the two big ass brake lines in the front and then the 3/16 brake lines in the back. Package has arrived from DC5 Creations. Package have arrived from Baby Boo. Grilled cheese, player. My ass gonna thank me later. Pause. Hey, just a friendly reminder, you have 1 week from today to put in an order. Well, maybe not 1 week, like you have 5 days from today to put in an order at Alpha Injection with special promo code ZOSH to save you 15% off. That's a lot of damn money. And guess what? If you place an order right now with promo code ZOSH, you're automatically entered to win $200 or a hybrid racing fuel rail to pair with your brand new set of injectors. Tap in with the fam over at Alpha Injection, baby. You got until the 11th of April to place your order. Use promo code ZOSH to save 15% off, and then you're automatically in to win $200 or a hybrid racing fuel rail. The choice is yours, baby. Now on to the video. So here we have everything from DC5 Creations ABS relocation kit. It's all labeled and packaged beautifully. It's all labeled and packaged nice, so my crazy insubordinate ass can't get it wrong. Watch me somehow get it wrong. But anywho, got a fresh blade on this John right here. Shout out to Walmart for the $2 blades. You aim it. All right, now let's go ahead and get the cut. Okay, so we got the bracket cut. Now I'm figuring out why this is going to be a huge pain in the butt. I don't know if you guys can see down there, the harness for the ABS right here runs up right here, bap, bubble, boom, boom, all the way down. I'm trying to see, you guys can't even see it. Oh, there you go. So that big ass worm wire you see down there underneath this AC wire that's in my way, that's what I have to basically get from here to get it back over there so I can plug in the ABS unit. But then I know I seen online that you gotta extend some wire. This is the hardest part about all this stuff is not the placement of the ABS or the brake lines or any of that crap. It's the wiring. That's the problem. So now I have to figure out how I'm going to get this wiring to work properly. I feel like I'm gonna have to remove this and then somehow push it all in. I gotta figure it out. It shouldn't be too hard, but I think this would have to come off. Okay, so as you can see, I have the entire passenger side headlight harness removed. All right, so it's been like an hour and a half since the last video clip, and I've been trying to cut this bracket and grind it down to, I would highly recommend you making your own bracket if you could. It might be much easier than cutting and finding something to hold it. I had to use that. I don't have a vise here, so I had to make it do with what it worked. The whole problem I'm gonna have is this harness. I see why people remove the engine. I don't feel the need to do all that, but I see why people do it. It just makes everything much easier, but I'm not doing all that shit. Gotta split the harness. Guess go from there. Okay, so quick little update. I separated, well, basically if you're doing this with engine in, well, it doesn't matter if you do it with in or out, but you have to de-loom basically all the way down to like the beginning of where the harness starts to split and stuff. So I did that. I drilled a hole through the firewall, not firewall, but the wheel well, and here's all my headlight harness. So this is pretty much done. This is the wire you have to extend. You have to cut this off and extend it so it can go there, and then yeah, you should be good. So now I have to work on the ABS stuff. I still have to cut this bracket. Shout out to a guy named Austin, man. He's been helping out a lot. I gotta basically trim the hell out of this bracket. I mean, I pretty much did, but I guess I gotta keep going. But yeah, we're almost there, dog. Oh, we're almost there. So I went ahead and attached the driver's side brake line. Now I have to drill a hole right here so I can fish it up through the cowl. Drill a hole right up here, and then I got to drill a hole over there when I start doing the ABS. Like I stated, this is not going to be like the best how-to video because I'm figuring this shit out as I go. I've never done this before. I don't want to give you guys the wrong steps in case I do something wrong. You like, Zosh, you did that wrong. I don't know. So, you know, entertainment for y'all, I guess, right? I drilled a hole for the lines to come through from there over here. I drilled the hole so now you don't see none of my brake lines. Now I just gotta go ahead and then establish all this stuff up. But yeah, bruh, what a pain. And I'm still having trouble mounting the ABS. I gotta get the ABS mounted, do something about this stuff right here, which is the ABS line. Hold on. So right here is the ABS line, and then I have to do something about all this wiring, and bruh, I don't know how the hell I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna try and do it.
All right, it is the next day, and we're still working on this thing. Oh God, here's another update.
So I pretty much got this stuff reloomed, kind of. I still have to set the ABS. I gotta like. Not set it, but mount it properly. But everything is being a huge PITA, bruh. Like, it's not that hard. Like me drilling the holes for up here, the brakes and stuff, that wasn't that hard at all. Like, it's no room, but getting this damn thing to mount is a pain in the ass, and I'm trying my hardest to do it. It's 10 o'clock in the morning now, so hopefully you guys are watching this video. And also, I don't even need this. Like, I was watching a video of a guy doing it. I don't need this bracket. I don't need this right here. And people like delete this stuff and then like, you know, have a nice little bay. I didn't know you didn't need that. I gotta wrap up this loom right here and get everything situated for the headlights and then work my way. Well, I'm gonna get this step first. I'm gonna get this done first, or at least try to. And then hopefully start bleeding this thing and have this thing on the road today. I hope and I pray if everything goes well. I hope. Bro, this wall is so freaking like, what the hell is that? Oh God. If anyone does stuff like this in South Florida and you want to come hang out with your boy and help me fix my garage, holla at your boy. Cause this shit sucks. Look at my mess, bruh. Look at my mess. This is why I'm not a mechanic. I'm too damn unorganized, bruh. Ugh. Alright, 7 hours later. Randy pulled up.
But they gonna fucking go pump the brakes.
There go my master again. Alright, so everything is taken care of, secured. I did the wire harness. I ain't feel like filming nothing, but it's all secured up top.
Good job. It mil-spec out there.
Nah, this shit garbage right now. But yeah, I don't know if you guys can see the wire. It's up there. It's up there, bro. I just hope like my wheel don't hit this right here. That's what I'm afraid about. That's one thing I can do. Yeah.
That big old head, dude.
You think so?
Let me see.
I don't know.
Oh, good lord, man.
I don't know, bro. I hate tucking wires in the fender, bro. Hate it, but hope it is. I don't know. We'll see.
What if he chill out?
I gotta do something, dog. Now I gotta put brake fluid in and then start the process of seeing if I have any leaks, which I shouldn't have. I tightened everything.
Yeah, put that brand new brake fluid back in there, bro.
Ray ain't talking shit because I'm recycling my brake fluid. It's still brand new, bro. Bruh, it's brand new, bruh.
Alright, bruh.
Alright, we'll see what's up. Part 2. Or part 90 of day 8.
What can we fuck up next?
Alright.
Raising the Tobagos, we growing like fresh tomatoes. Them boys on fire, too fuego. We pass it round, hot potato. Everything is nuevo. I'm with my sweetie like Quavo. Need my cheese, need that queso. Need my bread, need that bankroll. Wake up, yes, Lord, I'm thankful.
So it is the next day. Last night the camera battery had died when I was bleeding and pumping everything, but everything was Gucci. The car drove fine. I had brake pressure, bro. Everything felt amazing. I woke up this morning to see if it still leaks, and lo and behold, it still leaks. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna remove these calipers and I'm going to run some remans because I only have 2 weeks to get this car, you know, where I need it to be before the track day, and it's like week 3 of this brake stuff. So I'm just gonna go to AutoZone. I think AutoZone. I'm gonna buy Reman TL calipers, the Type S ones. Slap those on. I gotta drill the spindles out to be 19, but all I gotta do is drill those on. I already have TL rotors and brakes, so I'm just gonna put those on the car, call it a day. But this is going to be the last video I make of brakes, bruh. Like, I got the ABS relocation kit on, no leaks, everything is secured. Like I told you guys, this was not going to be like the best how-to video because bruh, I just, man, like this was a lot, dude. Like, this was a lot. And yeah, bruh, you definitely gotta do this when the motor's off. But yeah, bro, I'm just gonna go out and get the calipers and then slap them Johns on. But this is the last video you will see of the brake stuff, and the next video should be installing the vented bonnet, and maybe I got another surprise for y'all as well, so stay tuned for that. I have to clean this mess. Well, thank you guys for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, man. I actually drove the car last night for a little bit to the gas station to take a picture. It was great to drive the car last night. Man, it was just great to drive the car, bro. But yeah, dog, thank you guys for watching. I'll be sure to catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace.